Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal's one-time password not received. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. If you're trying to log into PayPal, I have it open here, and you basically forgot your password, you're unable to log in, or it's a two-factor authentication, but you're not getting that one-time password. A few things that you can do to make sure that you get it. The first thing is swipe down from the top right. You can see I have Do Not Disturb turned on because I'm recording this, but you want to make sure you turn that off so that you get the notification when you get the PayPal one-time password code sent to you. The other thing we'll do is we'll hop out of here and we will go into Settings, and then we will just scroll down until we find Messages and tap on that. So here we can tap off iMessage and then toggle it back on. This kind of just resets iMessage. And then we'll do the same thing for send as SMS. We'll toggle that off and then back on. So this kind of resets the both iMessage and SMS so that you can get any text messages. And then at the very bottom, you can see filter unknown senders. You'll want to make sure that's turned off, because if that's turned on, basically what it will do is it'll filter any PayPal one-time password code that's texted to you. It'll just filter it and disregard that. So you might want to make sure that's turned off. If you go through all these steps and it's still not working, you can try to restart your phone. And then you can also think back. Maybe you created your PayPal account with your old phone number. So you might need to think back and think of basically your old phone number and see if you can use that to get into your account as well. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.